Welcome to Sakrete Pro Tips. How to use polyurethane construction adhesive. Sakrete's brand of polyurethane construction adhesive is great for use with a whole multitude of materials: stone, masonry, brick, and ceramic tile. Whatever your need, this will stick it in place. It's a one-part material. Put it in your caulk gun, and typically when you're putting on a cap or something, at least run two beads. We're going to go one in the front and one in the back. I'm setting back about 1.5 inches from the face. And I'm going to do the same for the back row. So in this scenario, I'm simulating doing a cap block in a landscaping situation. And then simply set your cap block into the bead. The construction adhesive will remain tacky for 2 hours, and it cures to full strength in 7 days. So for all your adhesive needs on your next project, reach for a tube of Sakrete construction adhesive.